Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is English Potential channel and Ma'am Temina here. We are going to discuss about 32 self-improvement tips. Personal development. Start now. Whatever you have decided, you can start now. For example, you want to learn cooking, so you can start now. If you want to learn something new, for example, driving, you can start now. Be intentional. You should have intention that you are going to learn something new. Be accountable. You should know that you are accountable of your actions. Get a mentor. Mentor means that a teacher. You should learn cooking from an expert. You should learn from an expert how to drive a car. You can learn anything from an expert. Embrace challenge and think that learning as a challenge and try to prove yourself that you can beat the challenge. Love thyself. Love yourself. Think that you are very good. Pay attention. Give full attention to the task you are doing. Disconnect. Disconnect with other things. Only pay attention to the thing you are doing. Make and keep promises. You can make promises with yourself. You can keep promises with others. Seek support. If you need any kind of support, you can find or search support. So for personal development, you can learn anything new. You can learn painting, you can learn driving, you can learn cooking, you can learn makeup style, hairstyle, anything. But you should have intentions what you need to do. You have to start it. You need a teacher for it. Take it as challenge. Love yourself. Pay attention to your work. Disconnect with other things. Make promises with you and seek support when needed. Time management. How can you manage your time? First of all, you should plan about the task. Plan ahead. Don't procrastinate. Procrastinate means putting off till tomorrow. Don't think that you can do it tomorrow, you will do it tomorrow, or you are going to postpone your work for tomorrow. Prioritize. Think which things are important, more important, and do those things first. Say no to those things which are unimportant. Delegate. You can do that task in groups. Eliminate distractions. If you find any kind of distraction, noise around, or any kind of mobile buzzing, anything, so eliminate these distractions by keeping away your mobile phone. Time track means that you should decide at what time you are going to complete this task. Okay, self love and self care. Take care of yourself. For this, you can eat well, hydrate. You can just drink water, plenty of water. Sleep well. Sleep well means that you should be sleeping very well at night time or in daytime, whatever time you have decided. Exercise well. Exercise also boosts your energy and it also boosts your brain, your thinking power. Meditate means thinking, so you can also think and improve. Get checked. Okay, check yourself whether you have eaten well, whether you have drunk plenty of water, whether you have slept well, you have done exercise, or you meditated or not. Okay, right. Self confidence and self esteem. Use affirmations. Think positively. Thank yourself. If you do something good for yourself, so thank yourself. Okay, go give A plus to yourself. Forgive yourself if you do any kind of mistakes in doing something new. So you can forgive yourself. Focus on what you can change. So if you want to change something, for example, if you are planning to do something, you can focus on the changes. Positive energy. For this, you need positive energy. Think positively, then you will attract positive energy. Goal setting. Define your goals, what you want to do. Clarify priorities. Think what is more important. Set deadline. What time you have decided to complete the task. And then SWOT analysis. Let us know what is SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis, how and why you should do a SWOT analysis on your business or on your any kind of action. S is for strengths, W is for weakness, O is for opportunities, and T is for threats. Strength questions. What makes your company unique? What makes your personality unique? You can think about you, yourself. You can do this SWOT analysis about your personality. What makes your personality unique? What does your company do well? In which areas you are doing well? Which areas are you most successful in? What resources do you have that gives you an advantage over others? So these are strength questions which you can ask from yourself to boost your energy. Weakness questions. What areas need the most improvement? Think about your weaknesses. Think about your weak areas in which you need improvement. What negative things about your business do you hear from customers? Or what negative things about your personality do you hear from your friends? So you can think about your weaknesses by yourself and think about them, how can you improve those weaknesses, and you can also discuss these weaknesses with your friends, close friends. Why do potential customers fail to convert? You can also see that if there are some areas in which you need improvement, it can be your communication skill, it can be your talking skill, or it can be your behavior or anything else. You can think about it. What are some common problems you always seem to run into? Think about the problems also you are facing. Where do you feel limited? What could your business do better? Or how can you make yourself better? Think about those things. And weaknesses, usually we don't think about our weaknesses, but other people know that. For example, our weakness is we are very hasty people and we do everything in very hurry. So if we don't know about that, our friends or family members can tell us about our weaknesses, and in this way we can just improve ourselves. Opportunities questions. Where could you find additional promising customers? Opportunity questions, you can think about yourself. If you want to improve your personality, you can think which opportunities you can take. You can just attend any kind of seminars about personality development. You can just watch YouTube videos about personality development, or you can just take guidance from your teachers or your elders or your parents or from your grandparents. Which outside trends will have a positive impact on you? So you can also know about new trends of dressing or just communication or just fashion. Which upcoming events could prove helpful in growing your business or growing your personality? So you can just prove yourself that you are very good person in proving yourself in any upcoming events by showing your personality, by your talk, by your conversation, and by your behavior, that you are such a good person. Will your market experience growth in the failure? And if you see that it is we are going to SWOT analysis of our business, then we can see that what market is saying about our product. Threat questions. Threat means fear. Okay, what competitors might you face in the near future? So you are thinking that you are best at some time in your company or in your class, but now another person has come and he has approached, and now he is proving more competent than you. Then this is a threat. So you have to prove the best in this area, whether it is in business or in your personality. Which trends will have a negative impact on you? Know about your negative things and try to avoid them. Is your market on a downward trajectory? So think about that, what other people say about you. Try to improve yourself. Are there any recent developments which may create challenges for you? And with this timely developments, you can see that you have just overcome all the challenges, you have met all the challenges, and now you have improved. And you can improve by knowing more and more and more, by improving your habits, and then you can also develop your reading habits. Reading habit is also another good way in which you can just improve your vision, you can improve your thinking style, you can improve your knowledge, and in this way in your communication you can use that knowledge, and then through this way you can also impress others. So this was SWOT analysis. Look at, you have to do you have to ask questions, strength questions about yourself, from you and your family members, and weakness questions, that how weak you are in some areas, and opportunities questions, how you can use opportunities to develop your personality, and threat questions, in which areas that you are being weakened, so you can improve yourself by knowing them and by doing some kind of work on them. Okay, this was all about SWOT analysis and personalities development, 32 self improvement tips. You are watching English Potential channel. This is Ma'am Tahmina. I am giving you a good advice today, dear students. When a storm is coming, all other birds seek shelter. The eagle alone avoids the storm by flying above it. So in the storm of life, may your heart soar like an eagle. So don't be frightened in every situation. Try to overcome the situation. Try to take every situation as challenge and try to win. All blessings are for you, and see you next time. Allah Hafiz.